Welcome back to Good Morning San Diego. We are here with a great group this morning for the 15th annual Off-Road Lizard
Lost Lizard Run.
Lost Lizard Fun Run.
That's
I knew
right.
I was going to mess it up.
We're out
Dave
there
Stahl.
looking for a lizard.
There we go. And we've got all kinds of fun going on. So Dave Stahl, take it away.
All right. So good morning.
Good morning, Dave. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Tell us first who you are.
My name is Audrey Mason. I am the Vice President of the San Diego Off-Road Coalition. We are a nonprofit that fights to keep the deserts and trails open, so we have a place to go play. We are promoting our upcoming off-road Lost Lizard Off-Road Fun Run on Saturday, November 9th, out at Superstition. We have a 30-mile poker run with lots of raffle prizes, lots of big sponsors, Vase Power Sports, Wayne Miller's Mobile Tire donated a set of tires for us. It's a family-oriented event with 5 checkpoints every few miles or so you get out, you experience the desert, you learn things along the way, you stop, you get to play some games, and we have a big raffle that night for you. All proceeds go to keeping the deserts and trails open so that we have a place to go play for future generations. As you can see, I brought my nephews. They go with us. My nieces and my nephews are over here. They ride in my Jeep. They all have their own toys as well.
Sure.
They ride quads and dirt bikes and have their own toys as well.
So how difficult is this run? Let's say somebody just bought a Jeep Wrangler, Rubicon, let's say, and they've never been on the desert before. Will this be a run that they can do?
Yes, this is for beginners to come
So
out.
it's not
It's
a
green
hardcore-
course. No, we have for those that are hardcore that come out and support us. We do have difficult shoot-offs that you will be able to go off
Gotcha.
and take. So you will, and only the experience. We have big signs that say, rear locker
Experience,
required,
yeah.
33 tire minimum, and that sort of thing. But the green course, essentially, if you have a stock vehicle, you should be able to make it through the green course without any issue.
And if not, there's plenty of people within the organization that can help you if you need somebody to jump in the Jeep with you.
Yep, we specifically will have sweepers on the course helping anybody that gets stuck. If you need direction, anything along
Did you
those
say
lines
sweepers
to
or
help you.
sleepers?
Sweepers.
I'm just double checking. Let's talk to a few of these folks if we can.
Yeah.
Let's talk to this guy first. That car over there has got too much excitement. And you
Good
are?
morning, Dave. Rick Moore.
How you doing, Rick?
I'm doing great, thank you.
How long you been supporting this group?
Oh, over 35 years, I think.
Okay, that's enough talking to you. All right. All right. Hey, what's your name?
Dapper.
What are you doing on this Jeep?
Oh no.
You don't know. What's your name?
Jason.
All right. Do you like this Jeep?
Yeah.
You gonna drive it someday?
Mm-hmm.
You are, huh? You look good on the hood. Hi, how are you?
Good.
So what are you doing behind the wheel? Thinking you're going somewhere?
Nope.
You want to, huh?
Yes.
You gonna go out there and drive this year?
Maybe.
If you're real nice, they'll let you.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, let's see. Who else we got over here? This was going to be the MC today because you were late. Hi, and you are?
Amy.
And is it yours?
Yes.
Man, this thing's really nice.
Thank you.
How long have you been working on her?
About 4 years.
And it's called Distraction?
This is distraction, yes.
So you get them all distracted, you can get around them and go where you want to go.
Yes. Yes.
Right? I know, I had a funny feeling. Hey, how we doing, boss?
Hi there.
And you are?
I'm Doug.
And you've been doing this a while?
A while.
Yeah.
So,
So is this yours?
yes, this is my other woman.
Is it all done and ready to go?
It's a very distant second.
Very
But
distant
yes,
second.
and this is my granddaughter.
Hi.
Talk about
Hi.
family fun.
Does he let you drive yet?
Yes, actually.
And what do you think?
I think it's pretty fun.
Have you scared yourself yet?
No.
Not yet?
No.
Come on, girl. You can do it. It's not hard to do.
Yeah.
Take that difficult route.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. All right, cool. So have you got a Jeep yet?
No.
Pretty soon, though, huh?
Yeah.
Your birthday's coming up. Christmas is coming up. Something's coming up,
Yeah.
right? See, we got a promise on air. And you are?
John,
How you doing, bud?
outstanding.
All right, so this is yours? It's pretty well
Yes, sir.
decked out.
This is the good one.
This is a good one. So you're going to take the hardcore course,
I'm
huh?
going to take the hard lines, yes.
And show everybody what you can do.
I agree.
All right. And I noticed you got all your Tierra del Sol on, which is another
That's it.
fantastic event. And that's coming up.
February 28th through
Yeah.
the 3rd.
I'm sure you guys will be here. All right, so hits, runs, and errors. When is it? Where is it?
Saturday, November 9th out at Superstition. She made a valid point I totally forgot to mention. The Marines Toys for Tots. If you bring an unwrapped toy, please, we are donating for the Toys for Tots. Get you additional raffle prizes and tickets. Saturday, November 9th out at Superstition, 2 weeks from today. It'll be a lot of fun, family-oriented. Bring the kids out. Have a good time. Along the lines of other things that we do, we have another cleanup coming up if you can't make it to that one, out at Corral Canyon. Corral Canyon cleanup is Saturday, November 23rd, just before or just after Thanksgiving, I think. We're doing a trail maintenance day out there. We're teaming up with the San Diego Four-Wheelers and Cal 4-Wheel and the Cleveland National Forest and TDS here, and we're putting on this event. And then we have a Painted Gorge cleanup on December 15th as well. Painted Gorge is where we're doing Second Amendment. We're going to go clean up all of the Target trash shooting on December 15th out at Painted Gorge.
See how much stuff the
There are a
off-road
number
community...
of events
Well,
going
the off-road
on.
community
Wow.
doesn't just go out and play in the
Right.
sand. They
Wow.
Trail
really...
maintenance,
Well,
we
if they don't, they'll close it.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So you're
exactly.
trying. This is more of an initiative with a cause behind it that you're
Yes.
really trying to spread awareness as well
Yes.
to the community that this is what we have to do if we want to keep enjoying them.
Yep, we have several cleanup events every month. We have a cleanup event somewhere going on, something that
And
we're getting out and
talking
doing.
tons of stuff.
That's
Yes.
fantastic. And of course, we're going to have this all listed for you at KUSI.com. So if you have questions and want to see those dates again, we will be able to do that. So thank you so much for
Thank
being
you.
here.
Thanks for having us, guys. Really
Absolutely.
appreciate it.
So 15th annual, that's happening November 9th.
Yes.
Right?
Give it away.
Thank you so
Fantastic.
much.
Back to you.